Hi guys, we're going to take a couple minutes to talk about your poem for today, which is a haiku. I'm guessing some of you have learned this before, but we're going to do a quick overview just in case, okay? So a haiku is actually, it started in Japan, so it's a Japanese poem. And it is one where you have 3 sentences and then you count the syllables within those sentences to do a 5, 7, 5. So that's what you kind of think about is I have 5 syllables in my first, 7 in my second, and then 5 in my last line. And we're going to kind of show you what that looks like here. So you don't have to rhyme in this. The idea first is let's talk about what a syllable is. Again, something you've probably learned before, probably in elementary school. But it's how a word is pronounced. The definition here says as a unit, but really it's kind of the beats within a word. So it's when here it gets more technical, a vowel alone or a vowel with one consonant. You could call these a haiku. So for instance, the word haiku, if you kind of look at the different beats in there, haiku, there are 2. Introduction, if we think about that word, introduction, there are 4. So I think about any kind of time you hear a beat within a word, that's going to be what we consider a syllable. I know some people learn this trick where when you talk, every time your chin hits the your top of your hand, that's a syllable. I learned it the way you clap in elementary school, right? So you took like your word and would clap out the different syllables. So like my name, Miss Allison, we'd go Miss Allison, right? And we'd clap them out. But for haiku, you need to know this because in your haiku, there's going to be a certain number of syllables per line, okay? Haikus are really nice for capturing a small moment or an image. They're just kind of like a quick little poem there to kind of just bring the reader to a quick moment with you. Okay, so here are some examples. Spring is in the air, flowers blooming somewhere, children are laughing, right? So if we counted the syllables here, we get 5, 7, 5. Spring is in the air, flowers are blooming somewhere, we got 7. Children are laughing. So again, you're going to count out those syllables, it goes 5, 7, 5, boom, done. Okay, couple more. Green and speckled legs, hops on logs and lily pads, splash in cool water. So again, we got green and speckled legs, that's 5. Hop on logs and lily pads, that's 7. Splash in cool water, another 5. So again, it's just 5, 7, 5. Quick image. Obviously, our first one was about springtime. Second one is about a frog jumping into water. Let's take a look at a couple more here. In a pouch I grow, on a southern continent, strange creatures I know. So this one's kind of a riddle, right? It's about a kangaroo. So in a pouch I grow, on a southern continent. That one's a little bit tricky, right? That's 7 though. Strange creatures I know. So again, 5, 7, 5 is the idea, okay? There's a few more here for you to take a look at if you need those as examples. Okay, they're linked on your document. For your assignment today, you're going to be writing your own haiku. The directions are a little bit blocked by my face here, but think of an image, a moment, or a feeling that you want to capture. In the space below, write a haiku about whatever you selected. So remember, it could be something really small, just a moment or an image. Remember to count syllables as you go, and if you are super stuck, guys, on how to do that, down here we have a syllable counter. So this was pretty cool. You can put in your line, and it will tell you how many syllables that you have, okay? So that's really cool if you need that. The idea here, though, is it's a 5, 7, 5, so just 3 lines, quick little poem about something that you saw or experienced or anything like that, okay? Let us know if you need any help, and I look forward to looking at your haikus.